What's happening in the tech and finance world? We've got major moves from Acadian Asset Management LLC targeting QALCOMM Incorporated. Next up, Bayforest Capital Ltd is making a new investment in QALCOMM Incorporated. Then we'll look at Woodline Partners LP lifting its position in QALCOMM Incorporated. And finally, AG2R LA Mondiale Gestion D Actifs is taking a position in QALCOMM Incorporated. Stick around, you won't want to miss this. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Acadian Asset Management LLC is making waves in the market, significantly reducing its holdings in QALCOMM Incorporated. This move saw Acadian Asset Management LLC shed 8.5% of its stake, unloading 31,401 shares and bringing their total ownership down. Their remaining position in QALCOMM is still substantial, valued at over $52 million, but this reduction signals a notable shift in their strategy for the wireless technology giant. This isn't happening in a vacuum. Other major players are also adjusting their portfolios. We've seen significant increases from entities like OVERSEA Chinese Banking Corp Ltd, which boosted its stake by a massive 565%, and Russell Investments Group Ltd, which grew its position by over 12%. Meanwhile, analysts are weighing in, with recent reports from Bank of America and Piper Sandler adjusting their price targets and ratings, reflecting a dynamic outlook on QALCOMM's future. The market is buzzing with activity, and institutional investors hold a significant 74.35% of the company's stock. Don't go anywhere, because the investor activity around QALCOMM is far from over. Get ready to see who else is making big moves, including Bayforest Capital Ltd's latest investment. Bayforest Capital Ltd is stepping into the spotlight with a new investment in QALCOMM Incorporated. This firm has acquired a fresh stake, purchasing 2,350 shares valued at approximately $361,000. This strategic acquisition adds to the considerable institutional interest in QALCOMM, with such investors collectively holding about 74.35% of the company's stock. This new position by Bayforest Capital Ltd comes at a time when QALCOMM is demonstrating strong financial performance, recently reporting earnings per share that beat analyst expectations and a notable 10.4% year-over-year revenue increase. The company also recently declared a quarterly dividend of 89 cents per share, offering a 2.2% yield. Despite some insider selling, like that from Heather S. Ace and Patricia Y. Gretsch, the overall sentiment among analysts remains cautiously optimistic, with a consensus moderate buy rating and a price target around $182.82. But the story of institutional investment doesn't end with Bayforest Capital Ltd. Next, we're tracking Woodline Partners LP's significant increase in their QALCOMM holdings. Woodline Partners LP is significantly increasing its bet on QALCOMM Incorporated, boosting its stake by an impressive 60.5% in the first quarter. This strategic move involved acquiring an additional 28,506 shares, bringing their total holdings to 75,596 shares, now valued at over $11.6 million. This substantial increase from Woodline Partners LP underscores a growing confidence in QALCOMM's long-term prospects. This isn't the only significant investor activity. Other firms like Atlantic Edge Private Wealth Management LLC and Vermilion and White Wealth Management Group LLC have also recently increased their positions. Meanwhile, QALCOMM continues to navigate the market with a solid financial footing, recently reporting better-than-expected earnings and revenue growth. Analysts maintain a generally positive outlook, with a consensus moderate buy rating and a price target of $182.82, though some insiders, like CFO Akash J. Palkiwala, have recently sold shares. And the investor spotlight on QALCOMM continues to shine brightly. Get ready for the latest entry: AG2R LA Mondiale Gestion D Actifs taking a new position. Agitoir LA Mondiale Gestion de Actifs has entered the arena, acquiring a new stake in QUALCOMM Incorporated during the first quarter. This institutional investor has purchased 41,065 shares, representing an investment valued at approximately $5,963,000. This move adds another significant player to the roster of firms actively investing in QUALCOMM. This latest acquisition by Agitoir LA Mondiale Gestion de Actifs occurs amidst a backdrop of consistent institutional interest, with major investors collectively holding a significant portion of QUALCOMM stock. The company recently posted strong quarterly results, exceeding earnings expectations and showing robust revenue growth. Despite some insider transactions, such as sales by Heather S. Ace and CAO Neil Martin, the overall analyst sentiment remains favorable, with a consensus moderate buy rating and a price target of $182.82. That's all the market moves we have for QUALCOMM today, but don't go anywhere. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next market update. All right, let's do a quick recap. Acadian Asset Management LLC reduced its stake in QUALCOMM, while Bayforest Capital Ltd initiated a new investment. Woodline Partners LP significantly boosted its holdings, and Agitoir LA Mondiale Gestion de Actifs also acquired a new position in QUALCOMM. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Qualcomm Pulse for all your essential market insights, and hit that notification bell so you're always in the know. Follow us on all social platforms for even more real-time updates. Let us know in the comments what you think about these QUALCOMM moves.